Hey man, what time is it?
It's No-Do time 2023.
Yes it is.
Great to relive it right before it happens again, man. We hope to see you all out there, and we hope that these videos help you realize you got to get out there if you weren't there last year. And if you don't camp or you just show up on Sunday, we show you the entire experience of the whole 3 days. So it's no wondering what goes on. You see it right here.
So today's Friday, first day of No-Do Weekend 2023. We're heading to DACPA, Daytona Aircooled Parts. I think we're gonna get 2 motors built by John Moe at West Coast Core. Got my new hat by Allie, thank you.
Yeah.
Let's go to Port Orange, Florida.
All right, let's go, man.
Where are we pulling up on?
DACPA, Daytona Aircooled Parts, the House of Charlie.
Woohoo! Look who's here. He's never at No-Do.
I'm here.
How did I get here? Where am I? Johnny Utah. Johnny Utah, 1959 Combi. Look, we got John Moe here from West Coast Core.
Oh yeah?
How long have you been in the Volkswagen scene?
Oh, 31 years. Yeah, I had a kid come in and started parting out the Volkswagen. First Volkswagen I ever owned, I parted it out. Never even drove it.
How many motors do you build a year?
Over 500.
We brought him 2 cases.
Yeah, we're gonna build the 1776. Been talking about building one for the 66 wannabe.
For a year and a half now.
Yeah, we've had it on the shelf when that used to be half the cost it is now. And then we're gonna build a 1641 for a backup. I might sell her or save it for a car or something like that. Since I can get them built this weekend, that'd be great. He builds them all year round. You can have them shipped out from California here, or you can wait when March comes along.
And November.
How many motors do y'all build in this period?
We've done a lot more than just motors, but this trip I've done 8, so this will be 10.
See, you're building somebody's motor right here. What is this one?
This is a 1950. It's gonna have a 40 single on it. It's for Gary's Transmissions here in town. He's bought many motors from me. Every time I come to town, he has me do a motor.
So this one's for the 1776, 1641. One will have a 100 cam, and that one will have a 110. They're gonna clean them all up because they've been sitting in our shop, and we're missing a few parts.
Yeah, some hardware, some studs.
Check out West Coast Core on Facebook. Hit him up, John Moe. If you need any motors, any parts, or anything. He's out of California, but he comes down to Florida. Definitely go hit him up. Join us as well.
Oh yeah, hey, and the weekend has just begun.
You ready for the whole weekend?
I'm always ready.
Oh, no, no.
That's what I like to hear.
Let's go.
No-Do Weekend 2023. Got the man, the myth, the legend, Adam Stringfield. What? Check him out. It's down in the description. He's the man. We got some spicy sauce and some sweet sauce, I believe. Get you some grub. We're gonna be checking out Mark's awesome full porch sandwich.
All right, everybody.
Definitely go check him out and show him some love. That food is damn good. Taxi!
Yeah, that's good.
Shout out to John right here. Got an idiot manual for Allie's grandpa since he got a 72 Super Beetle. It's like one of the old first editions of the complete idiot book because it's got the spiral. So Happy Garage said this is like an antique. And the funny thing, it was actually in a library at one point. A little manual that'll help him out.
Yeah, it is.
Some baked beans and some taters. Enjoying that?
Oh yeah, that's delicious.
What's up, man? How you doing, man? man?
Man, I'm blessed. I can't complain. How about you?
Doing great, man.
I love the hat.
Yeah, thanks, man. Allie got it for me. Hey,
all right.
just square backing.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
We're back in.
Here we go. What's up, man? What's up, Sean?
Just bugging.
Just bugging. How you doing, man?
Good, how about you?
Hey, pretty good. You got it.
That's what it's all about. Group effort. Gotta fix them bugs.
We got Jeff Garner, AC Auto House, hauling 3 vehicles. Man, look at that. Triple. 1, 2, 3. It's like a train. Heading over to the Nova Family Campground, and then after that we're gonna head to Persimmon Hollow Brewing Company.
2023.
Buggin.
Nice
How you doing?
Love the shirt. Yeah.
Imagine that, Pink Floyd.
Oh yeah.
How was the drive?
Real good until the last 30 miles here.
Yeah.
Lost a Eurovan. He's stalled out in the traffic jam out on 95. Can't get it started, but another guy's with him with a Vanagon, so
Right.
they're fighting it. And then mine, 30 miles before exit 260, started popping out of 4th gear. I had to drive it holding it in 4th gear, so I'm hoping that Jim Gomez King is here.
Yes.
Definitely.
Davis Customs! Woo! What's up, man? Hey, how you doing? What you doing?
Hey, you got some big feet. I don't want to run over them. Hey, are those size 14s?
Start 15s, get it right.
Jeff Garner. Well, we're here. Persimmon Hollow Brewing Company.
Oh, you're getting videotaped by the Buggy guys.
Great weekend, man.
Yeah, so far so good.
Wheat's okay. Cider's better. Beer, cheese, pretzel, kitchen sink, pizza, classic smash. That was some damn good food. Now time to check out and see what other VW's pulled up.
We had the white serial killer vans down there.
Great time with our Volkswagen family. Tons of Volkswagens out here. Now time to head back to Nova Family Campground, get the camp all set up. It's an early night for Just Buggin', and that's a rare occasion. We'll pop back in tomorrow with you guys at the Bay Window Rally. Day one, no dough weekend was great.
Chillaxing over here. We can't wait until Giuseppe's Pizza tomorrow evening. All the festivities tomorrow.
Bully
And then, of
Brigade,
course,
Bay Window Rally.
yeah, and then of course Sunday.
Yep, stay
The
tuned.
big one.